Me believe we bet na boa me say debut. Me party opposition, me nimo bia. I can't help you. But when we were in power, they can bear witness. Over the week, yakasa bebre. About your mama ni horror movie say active Ghana. They say every day one scandal, one day one scandal, one day one scandal. Sa ne ye kon Ghana say. Every single day, Betty Assembia one share year. Betty Wakuma about how John Mahama is carried this country. In just 1 week, teachers demonstrated, nurses demonstrated, junior doctors have declared intention to go on strike. And Yakrani say, Aban we actually say, they don't have any respect. Omuni obo bia Emma nurses. Adentia. Nurses for a demonstration. Aban bekachiro muze scan ho. Mutieni yeo. A brand nurses for a demonstration. Aban response ni say scan ho. A brand teachers a demonstration. Aban response ni say just a nurse here. But doctors, junior doctors because say ombeko strike ni die. Abaya kopes kama we say ebetu omo. Mutieni ye. Enti na ya me hu say election year na yen nuanom nurses ene yen nuanom teachers na mu de mu support editor NDC chia na ye makuma ya. Because NDC party consistently over all the years they've been in government, they've always shown to you say they don't attach any seriousness to you. They don't respect your profession. A kind is phone the area teachers for the Moabi, not nurses, the Moabi. And it's a only doctor under NDC government there, you have no respect. It's a only medical doctor, you have no respect. But that is a kind of message that NDC always sells out. Why is it that Argentina 1 week ago, the same week, teachers had demonstration, move salaries, nurses had demonstration, said almost muniska, but Dr. Fon Kwambeka say, oh, yes, you have a demonstration, maybe. Yes, you have a strike, no, dear. Or Munkwande, Monkonya scammer, or Monko Pasca, Samukotuomo. And the next is no dear, or when I come do more ye. Teacher 4 dear, come do more ye. And yes, sir. Monkey the work, bamboo the chop, government ni. Monkey the work, not bamboo the chop, abai. That is what Ghana 4 are experiencing under this second coming of John Dramani Mahama. Now sometimes, why we NPP ni? In Sembi say ba, you are tempted to say I catch them. And you say I catch them. But that notwithstanding, we have to fight for them. Yes, Ghanaians, we have told them. We told them, say, John Mahama second coming in here, ebeye bloody. But despite everything, yet NPP force we mistakes be. Entina, say Ghana 4, almost okay, you bet on make less than kitwe any opposition ayaba. So we being in opposition doesn't mean say we will not fight for Ghanaians. We will still fight for Ghanaians because any Ghana 4 nyina nekoto Obama John Mahama. Nkrofo am here registered. Ewo ye voter register suno. 18 million plus. Nkrofo am to Obama John Mahama no, omu ye 6 million. And nkrofo am to Obama John Mahama no, omu drew 1/3 mpo of voting population no. And 2/3 of Ghanaians did not vote for Mahama. So we have to fight for all Ghanaians as NPP, as the biggest opposition party. We have to fight for Ghanaians. And that is why every day, even though we are in opposition, even though we don't have anything at stake, we still come out to say, John Mahama, you must not govern this country as though there is nothing at stake. Something is at stake. There is indeed something at stake. And that is why always we will hold John Mahama accountable. So throughout the week, we've been holding John Mahama accountable. But any Sunday there, I believe, every Sunday until 31st January there, let's take time and speak about our home issues. If you come on. NPP, the New Patriotic Party, the Elephant Family. Now, over the past week, a lot of things have been going on. Mamunim say, yes, we did a whole match. Next press akwaba. Mamunim say, Obiaye campaign gidi. Dr. Baumia campaign, Honorable Kenya campaign, Educhum ye campaign, Kobuna Japan ye campaign, one bill, Baumia, Educhum, Kobuna Japan, Honorable Ken. So me a 5 and one aka. Brandy Champon. Obiaye campaign. Na campaign now mwini na yeni se, person be ye flag bearer. Emma New Patriotic Party. Kwasiafuɔ, there is something I always say, and it say, those of us who have a training in health, and I or hospital, our training, actually say obiba hospital, no beka say, mitia miya. Why we a doctor? Why we a PA? Why we a nurse? Sorry preocupe say okay because utia we are no. Para yeti are enti para debi enye nisa wo mu say wuti na ye wia but uba hospital e ka kire say collab na lab fo nhwehwe mu hwe say den na ma wuti ye wia enti ebia wo lab na akoba say ebia ye wo blood pressure wo BP na wo soro enti wo BP na wo soro na ma wuti pa wo na wo BP wo soro na ni ti pa na unko ma san nipa no para. Say now better it is different from obi a stress into an ya. And asem biara esibiano, it is very important. Very, very important. Say we investigate, we go back into the past, we look for history. NPP 4. We have to look for history. Na Kwasiafuɔ. Wa we a Christo ninso no. My more example we. Nyakopɔn na onim say one day akola your friend Moses. Oba be ye leader, and as a president, and as a flag bearer. Emma Israel for Egypt. And Nyakopɔn consistently no, from the birth of Moses until when he was ready, no, the training that he received was training that was meant for him to become a leader. Yeah. Even that one, crown Kwasiafuɔ, danger womb. Munim say, Moses, Bible, now a quick tempered. Moses, now wakuma. Very, very quick tempered. Asem ki tuebisia, now Moses buefu. Asem ki tuebisia, now Moses buefu. And that is one of the things that worried Israel for a brought now more desert wilderness no. And how mupa. And ti ukwaso select leader, Emma party na, NPP. You must be careful, say leader ako selecting no. Oni nakuma mbenu sa. Kakana ni buefu. Obi na idea no person fa say onfa and then che nipa na. Those kind of leaders no. Ufa omwa is deadly for the party. Is deadly for the progress and the future of the party. That is why I gave you the example of Moses. Bible mo. Moses okoyakupo ekoji 10 commandments. Yes sir. After taking the 10 commandments, Oba na Oba will say, Asama okachi nkrofo na omuya bibi fufuro no. And all the commanded many from Dani or snakes. Those snakes beat some of the people and the people died. And that is how quick temper can be. Obia di buti me fun 10 no. And to ko selective flag bearer now on them now ko selective obia ni buti me fun 10 no. Know that this is what you are signing up for as a patriot. You are signing up for somebody. Ebia nipa de funso woni pa. We are all in a political party. Oh. Enye de bia na. I mean even a sorry crampuno nkofo timi idea. Which we find say obia wa sorry panel timi idea we. Enti if that can happen in church then how much more political party? And every now and then no, in a political party people can do things and sometimes we forgive and we forget and we move forward. But say leader bia. We get an idea no say on fan no. Then you are in trouble. You are in problem, in a big problem. And we have people who want to become flag bearers of this party who have those kind of traits. Uyo mo dia mo fan cheo. Uyo mo dia no mo say me don't show down. And so no, they will follow you until they will use their money to give you the showdown they have promised you. Such a person, or by a leader of the party now, you ever say, Obia, Asemsia, he will not think about the greater goods. Greater goods say, oh, and where the almost a way there, only man only me and dini. But if I go and retaliate to this person, a be affect a party no parliament and funny who on one day say, would ye metro showdown and now more showdown. San Crofoni Bino, be a leader of the party, Asembeba. Ebusafo Asembeba. Now the danger nene say, we have 3 years. Yako selective flag bearer area. You work 3 years, 1, 2, 3. Baku mienu miensa 3 years to be in opposition. And to konya leader bia on ya botre. Nkrofo ya de o party ni ma on kana nuntum. No akọ na radio station, no akọ na radio station, no akọ kana adwen. I say no akọ Facebook o kike kana adwen a 3 years no. Nsem abesi wo ye fie nyina no. Na NDC for no maswati. And the campaign time ba na NDC for as they did in 2024. They will bring ye fie nsem to come a campaign against us. That is why you need a leader who has emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is very important. You can select a leader and say you be our emotional intelligence. Asem sia and you say preoccuped ni buefu. There be. Because while you leader there, uncrofa betina set you up anytime. Ti say ni abronya ye ebrana ye thank you to. And you set up, I set you up. Or person who say, would you who need tolerance, who need emotional intelligence? And to be a leader biano, and Kasam Remono, or to me say there be way there, Abronye, or said that, or person who say me boot me funtentem, and to me fino. But all leader be our ego. Until me find in check. He cannot overlook things, sir. He does not care wherever he is. He will always want to retaliate. Now, some nipa no be your leader of the party. Eti abronye bet me survive your party name. Won to me, bet me survive your party name. Why? Can they survive in the party? No. But ask yourself, do you need one to me to win 2028? Yes. Do you need Abronya to win 2028? Yes. Do you need me to win 2028? Yes. And say benya leader bia. No, but share yesu say he will not allow us to operate. Then what is going to happen to the party? Opposition. Now, we can all see opposition there. Opposition. Last time, student be frame me. University. I'll say, the voice. Pacho, bet me aboa me for national service posting. National service posting. Me say, yeah, party ni abaye mu biomo. Yeah, opposition. The one I make conference on post you, mame. Minimo bia. And opposition there, yeah. To be in opposition is very, very, very painful. Very painful. Last, obi super. If anyone saying, upper leave, I got sure here to further his education or a teacher. Or frame me, the voice. Me pen leave wo bet na boa me say there be o party opposition minimum bia I can't help you. But when we were in power, they can bear witness every year, almost every 6 months, national service. Me ye post man for free. Me nji 1 cedi mpo obia ho. Na ebra na ye power aban mu no. Me ye national service. Oh, who friend me pena me afra obi o NSS office honum say, if I show me send details be ma. Posti we mami, posti we call mami. But you see our position, a boy nyina. And to position there ya. And think of mama about position no. They should not come and be acting say as omudi omanye shi e obi fufro na bibi. Everybody owes an apology to the grassroots and an apology to Ghanaians. Nobody is exempted. Nobody is exempted. Mr. Bayawalka, in the very beginning of this live, in the very beginning of this live, I told you, say, History is important. Enti enyumre we no. Briefly, me prefer Honorable Kennedy Japan in history. As Sembia occur in the past. Yes, Sembia to maybe tarnish his reputation, Derby. Honorable Kennedy Japan or your beer, ye nyina ye don wo NPP mu, ye don no pa, ye don no. It is our wish. Until Linda Akwaba say he will remain in a new patriotic party. Okay? It's our wish. But to become a leader, no, and a one-day event, a process. I use the example of Moses for you. Say Moses, because he was supposed to become the leader of the children of Israel, God trained him. Jesus, from his childhood, was trained. Any leader, David, for him to become leader of Israel, he was trained. When him say, Ebra anointed David, no, he anointed no. Between that anointing to the time he became leader, it was more than 20 years. Yeah. And even David Crown, he anointing in no. So be leader no. It was not automatic. And the obi bia person leader biano. And say obi bia destined to be a leader biano. That person must go through training. He must go through training. Anybody who skips that training, obi bia or skips that training biano, sa nipa no, the power manner, obi collapse your mind. No. The person will collapse our dear nation. And that is what the risk involved if we elect anybody other than Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia to lead the NPP. 2018, Honorable Kennedy Japan, or your interview be with GH1 TV. Thanks to all those comments. And leader, thank you for your comment. And this is what Honorable Kennedy Japan said. 2018 Ghana Web, 30th March 2018. I have no presidential ambition. Kennedy Japan. 30th March 2018. I have no presidential ambition. Kennedy Japan. 2018 no. Honorable Kennedy Japan ye adult. As at this time no, now we 18 years experience or parliament. 18 years experience. And the onwatinasi. And he looked at the future, looked at the past, looked at himself. And Obra openly beka say, onu Kennedy no, on person obey your mampeni wa Ghana da. Also on person on pe. Now we will go into the story. Then you will read the words of Honorable Kennedy Japan himself.